Neil from Exterior Clean Melbourne and Are Clean, just showing you here we're in the inner suburbs of Melbourne and we are doing a house wash here. As you can see, pretty bad mould on the surface of this render. We'll then also be washing this face, of course, the bullnose veranda, underneath the veranda, all of this paving area for them as well, and the side of the street here, and then basically the side of the building right to this boundary where this next bullnose veranda is. So that's their property there. Graffiti is not part of the job, so that's not included. Right, these are the finished results. So it's looking absolutely great compared to where we started. I'm sorry, they've actually locked the gates and gone, so we can't show you the internal space here, but it's all been cleaned, and the exterior render is looking really good. All the windows have been cleaned. As you can see here, we've also done all the internal paving. We actually ended up doing the concrete for them as well, just to brighten it up for them, and you can see how much that's come through. And then we did this side wall and the concrete along here, and there you can see there. So it just looks a lot more fresh and presentable, which is ultimately all they are looking for in terms of preparing for sale. So if you need a building washed, if you have any mould or mildew, any render, concrete, any surface that you need cleaned externally, give us a call and we'd be happy to offer you a quote. Thank you.